Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. Going to try and keep it fairly quick. It's about viewing your website on multiple mobile phones, and you might think to yourself, well, why don't I just view my website on my mobile phone, which you can do, but most of us don't own lots of different mobile phones, and phones come with lots of different screen sizes. And basically, your website can look a little bit different on different phones. So there's ways of us being able to view our website on different types of phones so we can see that it looks okay. Okay, a quick plug. Check out the podcast, which is Not Another Marketing Podcast. Also do some on-demand SEO training as well. Have a look at the website, jtid.co.uk. And all the social media contact info is on the right-hand side. Love for you to like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, do all that stuff and things. Okay, let's do this then. Right, here's my website, the home page of my website, a giant me on the front. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out whether this page looks okay on mobile phones, but not just one mobile phone, different mobile phones with different screen sizes. Really easy to do. I'm using Google Chrome as the web browser on my main desktop computer. You want to use any browser you want. Firefox has the same functionality, so does Microsoft Edge. The new Microsoft Edge does. I believe Safari does as well on Macs. You can do it with pretty much every browser. Okay, so what we're going to do is right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. And what happens is that it opens up the developer tools, which is on the right-hand side. All sorts of stuff going on in there, and we're not going to talk about loads of it. Just one little thing which we need to see. At the top right-hand corner, just up here, you can see Toggle Device Toolbar. Got a shortcut as well. On Windows, it's Control-Shift-M to get into this little system. So this little toolbar, this little button here, what it does is it converts your web page into a mobile phone view. So we click it and ta-da! We can see that it's up here. It says responsive. And this is what my website looks like on a smaller screen, a mobile phone screen. And you see, it looks all right. It's not too bad. Looks okay. But maybe we want to look at it on an iPhone, for example. So we can click on this little down arrow here and go to iPhone 678 Plus. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so we can see it looks fine. No problems there. Website looks okay. Then we can switch you to something else. Let's have a look at, say, the iPhone 678. Oh, slightly different. The button, the Meet John button, is underneath now, and it's probably, look, it's not level. It's not right. So there's a little bit of work I can do on my homepage to get that looking absolutely perfect and absolutely right on an iPhone 6, 7, and 8. We can also look at it on tablets as well. We can go to an iPad, and then we can switch our iPad around using this little button here into portrait or landscape mode, whichever one we want, like so. And we can see what our website looks like in the different modes there. And if we really want to, we can click on Edit down the bottom, and we can add lots and lots and lots of different types of phones. So, I don't know, a Galaxy... Ooh, what should we do? The Galaxy Note 2. That's an old phone. Note 2. And that's what it looks like on a Galaxy Note. You get the gist of this, don't you? So recap really, really quickly. Let's close this down. Let's close the developer tools. What we do, we go right click, inspect, and we make sure that little button is lit up. It's a little color there. We can switch between desktop and we can switch between mobile, and we can view our website on lots of different types of mobile phones. Dead easy, dead quick. And then we can badger our web designers to actually make our websites look better on these mobile phones. So a final quick plug, our podcast, on-demand training, website, and all the social media stuff on the right-hand side. Hope this has been useful.